In this video, you will learn about exceptions like good, better, and best. This topic is a part of adjectives. As learned earlier, adjectives like small and tall are used to describe nouns. To compare two nouns, we add er to the adjective to make a comparative word. For example, small becomes smaller, and tall becomes taller. To compare three or more nouns, add est to the adjective to make a superlative word. For example, small becomes smallest, and tall becomes tallest. Remember, there are exceptions to the above rule. Words such as good, bad, or little change its form differently while comparing two or more nouns. Let us look at the word good. Good changes to better when comparing two nouns. For example, Jay scored 80% and Arya scored 90%. Arya scored better than Jay. Better changes to best when three or more nouns are compared. For example, Tina scored the best marks. She scored 100%. Let us look at the word bad. Bad changes to worse when comparing two nouns. For example, the rubbish smells bad. The cheese smells worse. Worse changes to worst when comparing three or more nouns. For example, rotten fish smells the worst. A few words like expensive, frightening, and beautiful would sound odd if we add er or est to make it a comparative or superlative word. For words like expensive, frightening, and beautiful, we use more before it to make it a comparative word and most to make it a superlative word. Expensive changes to more expensive and most expensive. For example, this motorbike is more expensive than this cycle. This car is the most expensive. Frightening becomes more frightening and most frightening. For example, the roller coaster is more frightening than the merry-go-round. The ghost train is the most frightening ride. Now you know about the exceptions used to compare two and more than two nouns.